Have you ever wondered how to find peace amidst chaos, tranquility amid turbulence, and a sense of purpose in a world that often seems devoid of it? Welcome, dear friends, to an exploration of one of the world's most profound spiritual texts, the Bhagwat Geeta. Today we delve into the teachings of its fifth chapter, a discourse on karma yoga, the yoga of action. Picture, if you will, a battlefield resonating with the thunder of war. Amidst this turmoil stands Arjuna, a warrior par excellence, torn between duty and morality. To his aid comes Lord Krishna, his charioteer, friend and spiritual guide, who imparts the wisdom that forms the crux of the Bhagwat Gita. Chapter 5 of the Bhagwat Gita, titled Karma Vairagya Yoga, or the Yoga of Renunciation of Action, is a testament to the power of action carried out without attachment to its fruits. Lord Krishna advises Arjuna, "Perform your duty equipoised, O Arjuna, abandoning all attachment to success or failure. Such equanimity is called yoga." Imagine, for a moment, performing your everyday tasks with no expectation of reward, not driven by the desire for success or the fear of failure. It seems like a tall order, doesn't it? Yet, this is the essence of karma yoga, as explained by Lord Krishna. He elucidates further, a person who has given up all desires for sense gratification, who lives free from desires, who has given up all sense of proprietorship and is devoid of false ego, he alone can attain real peace. This, my friends, is the path to lasting peace and happiness as laid out in the Bhagwat Gita. The chapter concludes with Krishna stating, "One who neither hates nor desires the fruits of his activities is known to be always renounced. Such a person, liberated from all dualities, easily overcomes material bondage and is completely liberated, O mighty-armed Arjuna." In summary, the teachings of Chapter 5 of the Bhagwat Gita emphasize the importance of action performed without attachment to its results. They teach us to live in the world, yet remain unaffected by it. This is not a call to abandon our responsibilities or to shirk our duties, but rather an invitation to perform them with a sense of dedication and detachment, with an equanimity of mind that is unaffected by success or failure. The significance of these teachings is profound and timeless. They offer a roadmap to inner peace and fulfillment, to a life lived with purpose and meaning. They remind us that happiness is not found in the external world but within ourselves. We are, after all, not human beings having a spiritual experience, but spiritual beings having a human experience. So remember, dear friends, as you navigate the battlefield of life, the choice is yours. You can choose to be bound by the chains of desire and attachment, or you can choose to be free, to live a life of purpose and peace, guided by the wisdom of the Bhagwat Gita. For in the end, it is not the circumstances of our lives that define us, but how we respond to them. And in that response lies our freedom.